change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to, this is day 3 of our holiday. We didn't film yesterday because we had a lot to do and it was just hectic. So we just enjoyed a day to ourselves. Boo's hurt herself. So today we are heading down to Skegness seafront. We're going to meet Beth, Sienna and Spencer in a bit at their apartment because we're one end of the park and they're the complete other end. They're like right near the fun fair,
Which is over the other side.
which is over the other side, and we're like right down the bottom, which we don't mind because it's actually quite quiet down here. We like it.
But it's a long walk.
It's a nice apartment. It is a long walk, yeah, especially when it's windy and rainy. So we're going to go down, play in the arcades and that down in Skegness. I don't think there'll be much open, will there? So
Machine can't be better, isn't it?
yeah. So we have a Lee.
Good morning, guys.
He didn't sleep very well last night, did you?
No, I'm not real great at all.
So
Last 2 nights I've not brushed my
you
great.
slept better the first night, but you didn't last night. He couldn't sleep. I woke up. I felt really bad because I'd woke up and he was just laying there wide awake. And normally it's me that struggles to sleep in places like this, but no, not this time. I think I slept okay. The beds are really comfy, aren't they? It's just I don't know what it was. I think the problem is right outside our bedroom window on the opposite wall there's a light and it's really bright, isn't it? And I don't know if it's a security light or what, but I would just wish they would turn them off after a certain time, because like at 2-3 o'clock in the morning that glaring through your window, and then obviously you've got lights right outside our like apartment door. It's just too much, you know. We're used to sleeping in complete and utter darkness, aren't we? So I think it's just a little bit too light. I think we're going to get some black bags today and some tape, and we're going to put a black bag up at the window at least, just to make it a little bit darker. So yeah, that's the plan. Down to Skegness, try and find somewhere to park, and that's good old Skeggy. And then obviously we're going to play in the arcades. Not sure which ones are going to be open because it's technically out of season, isn't it? But we'll see what we can find. And we're going to see if we can find a giant seagull for this little lady, because she keeps telling me to waste my money in the machine.
Okay.
To get a giant seagull.
Okay, you spent £6 on that machine.
Yeah. What? But did I get anywhere close to getting it?
Yeah, you picked it up, but then you dropped it.
So £1 to go. So I gave up. So we're going to try and find her one downtown. So we will catch up with you in a little while, guys. So Beth's following behind us in her car. I think she's behind us. No, she's not. Is she? Yeah, Beth's following behind in her car, but she doesn't know the way. So obviously she's following. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much. It's only that fine stuff, but that's the worst rain. Catch up with you when we get down to the seafront. Don't know what's going to be open this time of the morning. What time is it? 9:54. They might not open until a little bit later. I'll have to wait and see. So we're down in good old Skeggy. We're going to walk into the town so I can find a cash machine, because I don't want to keep paying £1.50 at Butlins. But none of the fun fairs and that are open.
We went on.
We've got that behind us.
We went on that in the
Kids
cold.
went on that in the freezing cold. They must be nutters.
I didn't.
Arcadia wimped out. So we're gonna go down here, get some cash, and then we're gonna go meet up back up with Beth. We've got Sienna with us. He's in his chair, drinking his latte, aren't you?
Yep, enjoying it. First coffee of the day, waking up.
He needs that at the moment. Not a great deal open.
cooking over here. Bread. That's for people who obviously that are colourblind. Green is green.
Yeah, some of it. So if I've got wait, one.
Looks like there's quite a lot open around here. Oh look.
If you painted that purple,
Yeah.
I think that looked very much like Figment.
Yeah, a little bit.
I would paint it.
What's all over there? That's just cheap tat. Garden. Oh, it's garden stuff. I'll go over there.
I've got Spencer, you can get some clothes.
You know, I was about to say that. I was going to wear it.
He's got £4.
Look at the size of this gorilla. It's even got like a little seat belt that you can actually put your kids on so they can have a photo. Did you get it? So as you can see, I've just surprised Kadia with this massive thing. She keeps asking me to put money in the big machines. It's like 50p a go or a pound a go. And unless you've been watching the machines, it's not easy to get them. Like, because we know you have to put a certain amount of money in before you can get it out. So I've just paid £20 for this. She's got to think about seagulls at the moment. I don't know why. I think it's an autism thing. She'll soon get bored of them and then the seagull won't matter. But it's what she wanted, and it's just cheaper than putting money in the machine. So I'm not sure what she's calling it yet, but I'm sure we'll let you know. So we walked a bit further out, we're in that arcade, and we're going to the other arcade. Go on, Sam. Katie is happy, as you can see behind me. She's got a seagull. Ow! Ouch! She wanted to be terrorising the seagulls outside of her apartment. She's got a thing for seagulls at the moment, I don't know why. We've come in this arcade, I'm not sure what it's called. Yes, we know you love your seagull. We've come in this arcade, so we're just going to have a look what's here. If not, we're going to go into the next one. one. We're after the second one, but I don't know if it's going to go. I think we're going to need some more 2Ps.
The second one's not going to move.
Need to need more 2Ps though, don't you? So we are heading back towards Butlins, but what we're going to do... Why do people do that? Put their intercare on at the last minute, it drives me mad. So yeah, we're gonna basically we're gonna go down to Gold Mills because we want some tape, because we're gonna tape a black bag up at our window. We're gonna get some food for like breakfast in the morning and that, and then we're gonna head back to the apartment. And I think we're gonna go and do some swimming. There is the pantomime, but we've seen it before. The kids are not fussed on it, and to be honest with you, I'm not fussed over it. You and I are ya? Like Boo said, or Katie, sorry, we keep calling her Boo on camera. That's her nickname, by the way, as you've gathered. Like she said, what's the point of watching it when you know what the ending is? So there's just no point.
You know all the little jokes in it, and you know what they're going to do, what they're going to say.
Yeah. So that's the plan. We are back at the apartment, but not for long. We're going to go and take the kids swimming. I'm not sure if I said earlier. So we're going to go swimming. Kids will probably go on the rapids. They're mad because it's like really freezing cold. Last time I went on, it was cold.
That was in January.
And that was freezing. Nope. So it closes at 5, so we're going to go there for an hour or so. So we will catch up with you when we come out swimming. Okay, so we've been swimming, we've been and had dinner, we went to the American Diner. It was nice. The only thing that ruined it was the barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce was really sweet. It was like a bourbon barbecue. Just excuse the wind. So we're just going back to the apartment now. Trust me to pick one of the ones furthest away. Kenzie's got to change his insulin pump. Not his pump, but his set. Because he's nearly out of insulin. And then I think Kenzie and Madison are going to watch the Queen tribute. You're not going out anymore? No, not going out anymore. No. Okay, so taking off from where I left off earlier, because I was filming, but it was just too dark. So we're back at the apartment now. It's freezing out there, and it was windy. So that's one of the reasons why I stopped the video and I thought I'd carry on now. And secondly, obviously, I was cold. My hand was freezing off. So we've got Katie here with a big, gigantic seagull.
Still trying.
Don't underestimate, guys, how big this thing is. Literally. Stand up, Katie. It literally comes up pretty much to her waist. And she's about 4'3". So it is quite a bit. I'd say it's about 4 foot. So we're back at the apartment, like I said. Madison and Kenzie are going to go to see this Queen tribute, is it?
Yeah.
Bohemian Rhapsody. Lee doesn't want to, and there's several reasons why he doesn't want to. Firstly, obviously he's tired. He didn't sleep very well last night because of the light outside our apartment, like bedroom window. It keeps shining through the window and it's on all night. I think it's like a security light, but it's annoying, and there's no like net curtains or anything. So that's one reason.
What's that? Not looking.
Yeah. Second reason is we went swimming and he had to take his necklace. He forgot to take his necklace off or chain off before he went to on the family raft ride. I didn't go on there because I ended up stubbing my toe and it was hurting. So he went on the family raft ride. He got off. It was wrapped around his wrist because they told him to take it off, which was fine. So we went on the family rapids thing, river rapids, and he lost his ring from his necklace. Basically, the catch is a bit dodgy, and he didn't do the catch up properly. Basically, it's not any old ring. It is a ring that has very, very special sentimental value to him. Someone that's no longer with us. So It means a lot to him, and he also lost his other one that I bought him. I'm not too fussed about that one. It didn't cost me a lot of money, but he's more annoyed about it. So yeah, the gold one has got a lot of sentimental value. So where is he? On toilet. So yeah, he's a bit upset about that. He had a little bit of a cry, bless him. So we're going to go back to the swimming pool tomorrow, and hopefully once all the rapids are turned off, it'll be laying on the bottom or whatever. But all the lifeguards are looking. They've all radioed through. They know how sentimental it is to him. So fingers crossed for him, guys, that they find it, because he's absolutely devastated, absolutely gutted. You know, it means a lot. This ring, he did wear it on his finger when this person died, but it got too, like, his fingers got too big and it got stuck nearly, so he managed to get it off. So I put it on his chain around his neck, and that's where it's been ever since. But maybe I'll talk about that, who this person was, at a later date. I'm not going to go into it because it's not my place to say, but she was a very special person. And yeah, to say he's gutted is an understatement, isn't it? He's been really quiet this evening. Even when we went for dinner, he's not really, normally he's kind of laughing, bubbly, having a joke, but no, he's not really in the mood. So I think he's just going to go to bed and hopefully have a better day tomorrow. So we're going to end the video here and probably just have a nice chilled evening indoors. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget we've got our Florida vlogs coming up in less than, or just over a month. So we're going to say bye for now. Stay safe, stay happy, and we'll see you again soon. Bye guys.
Bye.